Hello everyone, welcome back to another video where I'll be covering the Azure KeyVault. So in this video, in order to give the experience of offline, give an offline experience, we used HashiCorp Vault, and it has the similar kind of experience with the Azure Vault. So in this video, I'll be showing the documentation on how to start the KeyVault and what the project directory you should be giving and how you can initialize the vault and work with it. So you can see you need to have the server on, the vault server should be on, and after that you can pass the commands with a client. In this project we have set up some examples using Node Vault, which have been already developed by another person. So the CLocal project what it does is it will be up and running a server which is a vault, and you can call the commands by giving the right tokens and everything from the node project which is in the example in this directory Azure Vault. So in order to start this, you need to install the command in the examples you need to install the npm install, and then you can try different you can call different files over there and start working on it. And you can write the policies by giving the correct you have to give the tokens and then start with it, and you can then stop the keyboard. You can see the screenshots of the project of the vault, and let's get started with it. So first this is the project which I created, and you have the video, you have the vault image and how it is exposed to the API ports, and then the commands, and then running it with the vault and with the commands. And before going into that, you have to have a configuration file, and if you want you can change the backend of the server, like I have been using Inman. So likewise you can use another backend with the configuration of the HashiCorp, and do the changes as you want, and run the Docker image. So the command would be CLocal KeyVault start, simple as that. So it will be initializing the vault, and then what you can do is it is already initialized. I'll go to a different console, and let me go to the examples. Here you can go to CD Azure KeyVault, which already provided some examples. You can do whatever you want here. So I already installed the project, and with the npm install. So in my case I have already installed it, and then what you can do is you can call the projects like init. You first need to initialize the project. So now it is initialized. You can see initialize is true. So now you can access the project, and before doing this you have this little token here. These are actually HashiCorp experiences here. HashiCorp, how we are running the HashiCorp. It's the similar thing you have to do here. And so yeah, this is the command. You have to export the token which is given. So the token would be different each time when you are being up and running the the image. And I copy in this and pass. So you exported the token. Now you can have the policies. Let me show you how the policies are written. Yeah, so in this example, as the client, I'm using Node Vault. So here you can see I created a path, and right, it's a policy right, and given the name here. This is a simple example. So now you can run the project with node policies.js. So the policies have been written, you get the request ID, and you get the policies here. So likewise you can do the storing with the confidential information and get the policies, URL, everything. Okay, and after doing this you can see commands here like the console. So now if you want to stop the project, you just need to call CLocal KeyVault stop and service down. Yeah, thank you very much for listening.